People who are police officers, many times there are not laws anymore like it used to be where you had to grow up in the neighborhood or you had to live in the neighborhood where you police. So people come from very different cultural areas and then come police in a very different area. Does that make sense? So if you come from city number 1 where the average volume of speaking is a 3, and if people get like hot, like mad, they hit a 5, they hit a 6. You come into the precinct, you pick up your gun, you pick up your badge, and you go to city number 2 where the average volume is a 6. Ain't nobody mad. This is just how we talk. People are not frustrated. They're not being aggressive. They're not angry. Regular talking volume is a 5 or a 6. If I get excited, it hit a 7, it hit an 8. You got to get me like real riled up for me to hit like, but I hit a 9 and a 10. Well, the brother coming from the place where volume is a 3 is normal, now comes on the scene, doesn't know what's going on, and he's trying to talk to the first person he sees, and that brother is talking to him at a 6. Understand the first thing, hey, calm down. I'm just trying to talk to you. Hey, stop yelling. And the brother, the first thing he says, I'm not yelling. I'm not yelling. I'm just talking. Now, you're being aggressive. I'm not being aggressive. I'm just trying to have a conversation with you. Sir, look, can you see how this starts to escalate? Yeah. Because what's normal for you and what's normal for me are two very different things. But the person with the badge and the gun gets to dictate what's normal in the interaction. Right.